BP164 here, and I'm in AH. Forgot YouTube. Horsham Supercars Spotter's house, and we're going to Ferrari Sussex Ferrari Owners Club in a bit. Enjoy the content.
Found the Rolls Royce, and we're going to the car show, aren't we, Anthony?
I am.
We arrived at the meet. There's one Ferrari. I've forgotten the name of it. We'll go over and get it in a minute.
At the meet, there's a 575 Marinello.
Yeah, Marinello.
Video bombing Ben.
Thanks.
It's pretty insane. There's some more. There's a Jaguar.
Oh yeah, oh god, I'm going to get run over. I'm quite embarrassed of vlogging. But yeah, fuck you, Anthony. This is terrible. We might get a picture or two. There's only one decent car here. We were expecting more, but because of the weather, not many came out. But yeah, there's a... Oh, I've forgotten the name again. Something Marinello, I've forgotten the name. It's wild, Anthony. His gumball shirt. And this is his camera. And this is a Ferrari. 5 something Marinello. I got the name correct now. Well, half correct. There's a fake AMG. I thought that was real for a second. Fake AMG. This is by far the best car here. There's a Porsche. I've forgotten, but I'm really tired. Don't judge me. I've forgotten names of cars. This is a Carrera of some Carrera S, so I was correct. And then there's the Lexus we were in. I mean Rolls Royce, total Rolls Royce. You didn't hear me say Lexus. Overfinch Range Rover. I quite like that. Another Porsche Carrera S. Then there's a Porsche Carrera 4S over there. And a brand new Fiat. Surprise update.
No.
I'm sorry. Oh, it's alright. I'll try. Sneak peek. I'm not gonna. Oh, my hair. I don't know what I was gonna say. I'm just recording because we've got nothing else to record. Depending on how late this stays, gonna record it leaving, and the Porsches might as well. Got nothing better to do in my life. So it's leaving. Well, the only good car, I'm falling. The only good car just left pretty quickly, and now we just got some Porsches. Are we gonna stay for them?
We might try and make a plan.
Oh, fuck.
Basically,
I dropped my phone.
I might go up to my dad and say, as there was like not many cars, there's a Porsche garage nearby, and they have GT3s and stuff. So maybe.
So we're gonna go in the Rolls Royce Ghost. Definitely not the Lexus. So like I said, a decent car gone. Well, when I mean decent, I mean good. My hand is now going to be in the vlog. But yeah, there's a couple of Porsches, like I said, over Finch. And an Anthony. Another Porsche. But look how he's parked. He's parked like a douchebag.
That's because of the cones.
I don't care. I don't care. Douchebag park. Well, while we wait, I might... Get off me. While we wait, I might as well get some... What's that? Might as well get some pictures of the overfinch. When I mean literally 2. It's got Diamond Stitch just walking around a car park, looking at a wild Anthony in his natural habitat, filming a Porsche fake AMG. What's that? M5. Not gonna lie, this car show, car meet, has turned out to be pretty.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. What's the
But
word? What's the word? Shit.
I'm hoping there'll be some... That photo is gorgeous.
Damn it, missed it. Oh well.
I'm hoping...
Right, this guy owns a Aventador SV Roadster.
Right, as you've just seen from that, we've changed location. It's now late at night and we're at Buck Barn. And apparently it's good here. That GLE AMG... Oh, GL, whatever it's called. AMG that just drove past. He's the guy who owns a yellow Aventador SV. I'll put a picture in after this clip. But yeah, he owns that and he's been spotted here twice. So he must live somewhere around here. But yeah, we're just going to stay here for an hour, see what's here, and then end the video when I'm back at my house. Goodbye.
You can see this, but the maddest Aventador just turned up. I'm tempted to go on there to get a film.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I'm now home and it's late at night. I'm gonna go edit this video then sleep. Goodbye. Thanks for watching the video.